I designed a 3D printed functional ornament perfect for your secret admirer with a hidden compartment to send messages that no one else would uncover. Using magnets to create a seal, this 3-part assembly is also interchangeable to accommodate new color configurations. The added curving texture masks layer lines that only enhance the perfect silky Christmas-inspired PLA by Amolen. Choose between a red-white for a peppermint effect or the red-gold for a warm and sparkling finish. Customizable to fit any tree.